Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to make slime. Yeah. So you're going to need some glue. I just put in this one because I don't have a container. And you're gonna need some baking soda and some contact solution. I just have a little bit, but you know, it's okay. Then some food coloring. I picked pink and blue, but I'm gonna use pink. Then a little bit of water. Okay, so yeah. Now it's time to pour the glue in. Just wait a minute. Okay, it's time to pour the glue in. Okay. Oh, okay. You add just a little bit. Okay, let's stop. Okay, hopefully that works. Then, when you're done, you will add your food coloring. Okay, somebody is posted to take. And then, oh my god. Just a little bit. Food coloring. Just don't want too much. Okay, that's enough, I think. Oh, look at that. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. Now once you got your color, you're going to... Okay, there's a lot of food coloring. I'll be back. Okay, I dropped some of it. That's okay. Then you're going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Oh no. That's okay, that's good. Then you're going to mix it. Then you're going to add baking soda. Just a pinch, I guess, or something. Like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that should be good. Mix it up. I'm just gonna add just a little bit. Then you're going to add your contact solution. 2, 3. Okay. Mix it. Another pump. 1, 2. Mix. So this is how I actually make slime. This is my favorite thing to do. This is my hobby. Ooh, it's working. Okay, let's add just 1 pump. Oh wait, it's kind of working. Okay, this is getting hard to mix. Okay, sorry I can't poke here because it's very dirty, but this one is okay. Okay, here we go. We're getting in. You can use a spoon or anything. Okay, take it out. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, it's so pretty. Now we're going to add some lotion because it's hard, you guys, sometimes. So we're gonna add some lotion. Just gonna get that much. This is what I do when it's quarantine. Ooh, look at that. It's working. Just a little bit more. Okay. Ooh, like the non-chalk thing. I'm gonna make another one because this one is so small. Okay. Oh my god. So then I'm gonna make another one, just a little bit. Like that much. That much. Yep, that's good. Because it's not like the same like I did at the blue slime. Then red food coloring. Boy, you won't splatter at me. Okay, just a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Let's get that a little bit. Okay, that's good. It's going to turn into red. Okay, just wait. I am just going to put this back. Then mix it, it's gotta be the red. Then I may add a pinch, more, then 2. Working. This is gonna be a red slime. I want it to be 1, 2. Whoa, okay. Okay, this is getting hard to mix. I do have food coloring, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. And I'm gonna make a purple slime. To the next one. Then we have to mix this too. I got food coloring in my hand, but that's okay. I need the blue one. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but we're going to find a way. I'm gonna add some lotion. 2, 3. I think the pink one is bigger. I want them to be the same size. And that's how you make slime. It's gonna add more. It's kind of drippy. Then dun, 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 dun. It's hot. Okay, I found it. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Ooh, this one is bigger. Wait, let's see. I'm gonna show you where's the difference now. This one, oh yeah, that's not the same. No, this one is hard. This one is not. Wait. Okay, let me see. Just add that. Lotion too. I made this earlier. It's actual night dope. No. Don't mind that. The thing. The background noise. In my background. Ooh, look at that. Non-chalk slime. Trying to do the swirl. Okay, I'm gonna do the swirl. Whoa! Excited na ko! So, I will make another vlog. So, yeah. But you have to wait. First. So, that's how you make slime. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!